Have you ever wondered how your brain processes emotions? Why does a simple song make you feel nostalgic, or a sudden shock trigger a fight or flight response? Emotions are powerful forces that shape how we react, think, and even remember experiences. But how does your brain turn all of this into feelings? Let's break it down. Emotions start in a small, almond-shaped part of your brain called the amygdala. The amygdala is responsible for detecting emotional stimuli, like a scary face or a stressful situation. It acts like an emotional alarm system, quickly sending signals to other parts of your brain to process the feeling. If something feels threatening, like a loud noise or an approaching car, the amygdala activates your fight or flight response, making you react quickly. But emotions aren't just about survival. Once the amygdala kicks into action, it communicates with other parts of the brain, like the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and rational thought. This helps you make sense of the situation and decide how to act. For example, if you're startled by a loud noise, but realize it's just a car backfiring, your prefrontal cortex helps you calm down, overriding the initial fear. Not all emotions are triggered by danger. Positive emotions, like joy or love, activate the ventral striatum, part of the brain linked to reward and pleasure. This area releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, which makes you feel happy and motivated. Ever felt that rush of excitement when you hear good news? That's your ventral striatum at work. Interestingly, emotions also affect the autonomic nervous system. This system controls functions like your heart rate, breathing, and digestion. When you're anxious or scared, it ramps up your heart rate and makes your palms sweat. On the other hand, feelings of calm or happiness can trigger the parasympathetic nervous system, slowing down your heart rate and helping you relax. And emotions also shape your memories. The hippocampus, the area of your brain that stores memories, works with the amygdala to encode emotional experiences. This means that emotionally charged events are often the ones we remember most vividly. Think about a moment of pure joy or a difficult challenge. Chances are, you can recall those emotions more clearly than neutral experiences. Finally, emotions also play a key role in social interactions. When you see someone sad or happy, your brain activates regions involved in empathy, like the anterior insula and medial prefrontal cortex, helping you understand and connect with others' feelings. This is why we often feel moved by others' emotions and respond with our own empathy. So, how does your brain process emotions? It starts in the amygdala, triggers a cascade of responses through the brain and body, and helps you make sense of the world around you, whether it's a dangerous situation or a joyful moment. Emotions are more than just feelings. They're an essential part of being human, shaping how we think, act, and connect with others. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.